If you need to cancel an account on AlarmNet 360, you want to go to the Accounts tab and select Cancel. Next, you'll enter the account number that you want to cancel. That'll be the city code, the CSID, followed by the subscriber number. And next, you'll choose either to allow the communicator to be reactivated, called a partial cancel, or block the communicator from being reactivated, being a full cancel. This is actually not the communicator itself. It'll be the account number that you're blocking from being reactivated. Typically, people will choose partial cancel. This will allow that account number to be reactivated at another time without having to go and change it to a partial cancel. So leave the selection on allow communicator to be activated, partial cancel, and then select a reason for the cancellation. Not using service, customer canceled the service or contract ended, customer moved or moving, customer payment not received, moved account to a different service provider, or lost account to a competitor. Or finally, you could choose other and actually enter the reason for cancellation here. For this example, I will say customer canceled service or contract ended. Then select Submit Cancellation. It will confirm that you want to cancel this account. If you do, click OK. If not, hit Cancel. And you'll notice that the account has been partially canceled. Now, 30 minutes from the moment that you cancel this account, it will be deleted, and all information, Total Connect account, the root file, everything will be deleted from AlarmNet 360 at that point. Immediately after canceling the account is no longer monitored.